Hi, and welcome to the League of Champions training. My name is Breno, and today I'm going to be training you on the 3 ways you can change anything in your life. Yes, anything in your life. People often think that breakthrough just happen, success just happen, things just happen. But I want to tell you that you can create breakthrough. Breakthroughs can be created, okay? Success can be created. And you know something, better planning, okay, adequate planning is better than hope for a miracle. So I'm going to be showing you this formula, okay? So follow me carefully. If you want to change your life, if you want to get something in your life, if you want to get that breakthrough you've been looking for all these years. Now, the first step that you need to take is you need to change your strategy, okay? You need to change your strategy, okay? Then the step number two is that you need to change your story, okay? You need to change your story. And step number three is that you need to change your state, okay? I'm going to be explaining these things later on after I've unveiled the formula for breakthrough, okay? So follow me carefully as I go to the board to show you the formula for breakthrough. All right, we're here. Okay, so the formula for breakthrough, okay. Okay, so formula for breakthrough. Okay, so first of all, I said that if you want to change your life, if you want to get the things you've been working towards, okay, so first you need to change your strategy. So change your strategy. That is the first step. Change your strategy plus change your change your story plus change your state equal to breakthrough, or anything that you want, anything that you are looking for, okay? Or anything that you're looking for. All right, so people's breakthroughs differ, okay? It depends. Everybody's breakthrough, it's not the same, okay? So now let's start with the word or with the sentence, changing your strategy. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. A lot of people, even though they've done, they've been taking those approach, they've been following this particular formula, a particular approach, a particular way of doing things over and over. They've been doing it, yet nothing has changed, but they kept doing it. Year in, year out, they're doing the same thing. Week in, week out, they're doing the same thing. Nothing is changing. So you need to change your strategy. How is your strategy? All right. So one of the ways that you can do this is you need to, since the ones you've been doing are not working, there's something about this network marketing, especially the one we're doing, La Buena Vida business. There's something we call duplication. So that's why I always propose that you should have a mentor. Who is your mentor? Who is that person that you want to be like in future? Maybe in the next 2 years, who is that person that you're looking up to? Okay, somebody that you admire the success and you're always striving to reach that point. So you need to be in contact with your mentor. And since your strategies have not been working, you need to start following the strategies of your mentor. Do you understand what I'm saying? So by so doing, okay, you'll be able to replicate the same success into your own business or into your own life. You get it? And even sometimes you might even become more successful than your mentor. That is, if you can apply everything you've learned from him, that is, learning from his mistakes and now perfecting them in your own business, it is possible that you can become better. All right, you can become better. So that's something about this network marketing. Duplication is allowed and overtaking is allowed. You get it? So you need to change your strategy. You need to evaluate yourself. Take inventory of how you live your life. Take inventory of the things you've been doing. If you're able to do this, then you'll be able to change, you'll be able to get that breakthrough that you've been looking for all these years. Okay? Change your strategy. Now, step number 2, which is in the formula already, is change your story. You can create your own story. Rewrite your story. Okay, first of all, if you're in network marketing, you need to understand that the power of story, of having your own story, because how do you get people to sign up into your business? You need to tell them your story. You need to have a story. How has the business helped you? How has the business taken you from from level 0 to where you are right now? You need to be able to interpret your story, not just about creating a story. Apart from creating a story, you need to be able to interpret your story to your prospects or to the people you are prospecting. By so doing, if they can feel it in you, if they can see it in you, all right, and they've made their background checks, and they can see that in you with the emotion you are expressing it, which is going to be the next step, okay, with the kind of emotion you are expressing it, then they will have no choice than to sign up in your business. You get it? So you need to create your own story. You need to change your story by creating a good story, okay? Rewrite your story, rewrite it, okay? Make sure you rewrite your story. If your story has been ugly all these years, you need to rewrite it. You can rewrite it by the choices you're making today. The choices you're making today is what is going to help create the story you're looking forward to living in tomorrow. You get it? So where you are now, okay, is as a result of the choices you've made before. And the choices you've made before are the things that have culminated to create the story, your present story. So if you want to create better stories tomorrow, you need to you need to make better choices today, okay? Make better choices, expose yourself to training. Yes, expose yourself to training. Consciously start creating that story. Make sure that you see yourself. Sometimes I see myself on a big stage, like talking to people about how like my grass to grace story. I see myself, envisage it, see it in how do you actually see it? That's the thing. So you need to see it inside you. You need to see yourself in a big stage. You need to see yourself, doing massive things where you're telling prospect and people your grass to grace story. So if you're able to see it, then you can reach it. If you can see it, you can reach it. All right. First, you need to see it in your subconscious mind. And every day, this will help you to make better choices because you're seeing it, you're seeing yourself in that place. And if you're seeing yourself in that place, you are not partaking in things that are not going to take you there. So anything that's not going to take you to that place, you are avoiding them. You're avoiding them because you're seeing yourself, your mind, your eyes is focused on the goal. You get it? This is how to change your story. This is how to change your story. Now, the third and last step in the formula is change your state. Now, I made a couple of videos about how to master influence, and I say that it is leaders that master influence. And for you to master influence, all right, for you to master other people, to influentially master other people, you need to be able to master yourself. All right, you need to know who you are. You need to know who you are. You need to know who you are. Self-awareness is very important. Listen, there cannot be self-development without self-awareness. Okay? It doesn't matter how many books you read. if you cannot read yourself, then there won't be self-development. You will not be developed. Those books will not produce any positive effect in you. So you need to read yourself, master master the skill of reading yourself, which is changing your state. Change your state. Okay? Change your state. I said that if you want to master influence, you need to understand the core emotion that drives people to buy things. What is that core emotion that drives people? If you're able to master it, then you'll be able to influence them positively. Now look at it. Now take it into your own self. Okay, put it in yourself. Now this time around. Now understand the core emotion that drives you. What is that core emotion that drives you? What is that thing that if you do, it makes you angry? Understand it. What is that thing that if you say, it will cause problems? What is that? Where are those places that if you go to, your mood changes immediately and you start feeling bad, you start feeling depressed? You need to understand this. If you understand this, then it will help you to, it still boils down to choices. It will help you to make the right choices of words, the right choices of places, the right choices of people you hang out with. Because all these things affect your state. They affect your state. All right. So if you're able to do this, you'll be able to change your state, to a positive way. You get it? So this is so important. Okay. So this is just what I wanted to tell you today. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section and I will reply you. Now, in case you're wondering, this is the League of Champions training for the La Buena Vida project. I don't know if you've heard about La Buena Vida project. Made a couple of videos explaining our vision or our system, okay, and they are on my YouTube channel. Feel free to check them out, and if you don't understand anything, get across to me and I will reply you. And if you decide that you want to join the big boys, the League of Champions, then also get across to me. My social media handles are in the description below. And please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe in order to get more and more of this kind of videos. All right. And also, there are other opportunities on my channel about if you want to come abroad to study abroad, or you want to work abroad, you want to, name them, opportunities abroad. I've made a couple of videos and I'm going to still make more and more and more and more videos. All right. So reach me on any of my social media handles and I will hopefully be able to solve your problem. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, see you in my next video.